Okay, Eclectic Crafter here and my sidekick. We're going to make cookies today. I already browned the butter, re-chilled it, and put it in my bowl. And I've got my 2 eggs already cracked. Alright, what we're going to do is get the flour mixture measured out. So we're going to need 1 teaspoon of this, please. Remember how we do it? We scoop it and slide it. Okay. Okay, baking powder in the bowl. Alright. Wipe off the spoon.
Can I do it?
Yep. I'll take that. You take this. 1 teaspoon of salt, please.
Is that good?
You're going to want it a little less because it's very, I ground this. It's very powdery. So, there you go. That's better. Uncle Jim does not need all that salt, believe me. He thinks he does, but he doesn't. I will wipe that off again. Okay, this one's a little... You take the spoon. Let me try and... Okay, now try to scoop it. And... Good job. Okay. Now the trick is the flour. I'm going to wipe that out because we're going to have to put vanilla in the bowl. Oh, it's on the counter. Okay. I can see something I thought it was in. Alright. This great big thing is flour. And we need 2 1/3 cups. So this says what?
1 cup.
So how many of those do we need? We need 2 1/3 cups flour. So if this does 1, we need how many of them? Yeah, 2. So scoop some up and I'll smooth it out for you. Let's fill the hole. Fill the hole. All right. There's 1. Oh, okay.
Splashed.
We might get a little closer next time. All right.
It's an ice cream scoop.
That would be a lot of ice cream. Okay. All right. That's the 2. I will take that for you.
My hands.
That's why you've got an apron on now. And 1/3, and that says what? Under your thumb.
1/3.
Okay, so
1.
yes, 1. And that's all the flour. Okay. Oh, do you remember where the little whisk is?
Whisk.
So that we can stir this up? In that drawer right there. Oh my goodness.
Which one?
The little one on the bottom, of course. This one.
Oh.
The little one. It's always on the bottom.
I can stir it.
Stir the flour mixture. That gets the salt and baking powder and baking soda all mixed in.
Wow.
Good job. And now we can set this to the side. You can leave the whisk in if you want. We'll set that to the side. Okay. Let's get this mixing.
Oh, that's sleepy.
Yes, it is. See, it's going almost white with specks in it.
Yeah.
That's
it
the-
smells.
The brown bit, it's the brown. It's because I browned it. Okay. Now, and I go ahead and I put my vanilla in now because sometimes I forget. So, we get 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Can I dump it? And be very careful when you dump it.
There you go. Good job. Got an extra bowl out for nothing. And now we'll put this on. I have a little plate over here. We'll just set it on that plate.
Bam, bam, bam.
All right. Let's go ahead and we'll let that stir a little.
That smells
Can I
good.
see a spot? Nope. Okay. Now, we need 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar.
Yum.
Remember how we have to pack it down.
Yeah.
So push that down a little bit. I know. Well, it's also a little flimsy plastic measuring cup. Alright. And now, we'll just scrape some of that off. Wait a minute, I have to shut that off. Lower it down. Remember,
Yeah.
pour towards the center.
Like that.
That's right. It's awkward, isn't it?
I can't get it to.
Well, let's do this on this side. See, that worked. All right, now we need the white sugar. Dun, 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 dun.
Brown.
Probably should have done the white sugar first because now look at the cup. I gotta wipe it out. It got all ucky. Brown sugar has molasses in it, so it makes it sticky, and we don't want the brown sugar in our white sugar, so we'll just wipe that out.
Bam, bam, bam.
Okay.
Look it. I'm getting something.
And get your scoop. Shake it. That works. Okay, you're gonna fall off the edge of that, girl. I'm gonna hold you. Good job. Perfect. All right, we're done with that. Yep, because of the brown sugar having been used first. We're supposed to do the white sugar. Yes, sugar does taste good, that's for sure. All right, that's out of our way.
It was in my finger, on my finger, so I just.
What do I do with it? Because we're going to have to measure chocolate chips out. Okay, now we got to beat this up. Beat it up. Made a mess.
Look it, I'm beating it up. Pow, 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 pow.
All right. Okay. Wow, I really smell that brown butter today.
It tastes
Okay.
good. It smells
I'm going to do the gooey eggs, all right?
The gooey eggs.
You get them on your hands. That's what it feels like, slime. Okay. And,
I got it on my hands before.
yeah.
When I was cracking an egg for Grandma. I cracked it. Shells went in the bowl. It kind of got on me. So we had to pick the shells up.
Yep. Been there, done that. All right. We got to mix it till it looks good and smooth, remember?
Yes. I'm doing the how fast it is. It's not very fast.
Not very.
I can run that
Is that better?
fast.
Well, it's done. I made it do it really fast. All right.
Yes, it did.
Remember how messy the flour is? Hold the bowl up like this.
Okie dokie.
And we just tap a little in.
Okay, can I? Yeah.
Because we don't want it going poof, so we don't want to put it all in at once. We just want to put a little.
Can I?
Okay. You can do the next batch, okay? It's got enough in it right now. I'm going to push that out.
Oh.
Just don't forget how we do it. Slow and easy. That's right. Just like that. Just get a little stirred in. Okay. Can you try again? Put a little more in. Use 2 hands on the bowl. Well, you can put one on the bottom if you want. That helps steady it. Tip it more. Ooh, keep it over. That's all right. I'll help you guide it to the bowl. You do the rest.
It's hard.
Yeah, it's so slow coming, isn't it?
Yeah. Do I put all of it in?
Okay, that's enough for right now.
So that's a no.
The next time you'll be able to do it all. Whoa! I'm not used to the button being on the other side.
Now you stay there. Pow, pow, pow.
You're slightly strange. Don't worry, it's a family trait. All right, we're ready for the next. Well, you can put the rest of it in now. Turn it up. There you go. Because it's a lot.
Oh my god.
We got to keep it over the bowl, though. You got it. You got it. Ow, ow. Okay, let me see it. I'm going to get the last of that. 'Cause I want it all.
Wait, why were you like, oh, oh?
I want it all.
Why were you like, oh, oh?
I don't know. I always make weird noises. We need
Yum.
2 cups of this put in here, please.
I wish I could have one.
You might want to. Oh, you can have one. Okay. Yeah, grab another handful and throw them in there. Just a tad. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's good.
Wow, that's good.
We're just trying to get it about half.
Yum. That's yummy.
Okay. Go ahead and grab another one before I close the lid. No, for you to eat, boo. Not a whole cup. There you go. I love the semi-sweet. I know. All right. Just trying to get the flour off the
Okay.
beater. All right. Now, if I can get the beater to the back. Really? Oh, good enough. Can you dump those in, please?
Sure. All of them?
All of them.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Why
They didn't have any minis, so they're all big ones. The store didn't have any minis. Which is weird.
Why is there tape?
Oh, Alex did that so we would know where we need to keep our hands and our tools. Because he changed the camera. It's above us now. Alrighty. Really? Come on. I can't get the... There. Alright. I have to beat my bowl out. I'm not strong enough to do it the other way.
Look at the shadows.
Get that out of the way. Alright, you know what the little one's for? This one?
No.
We gotta scrape out the stuff in the holes. Yep, that's how you do it.
Oh. Yeah. It's hard.
I don't know why all of a sudden my cookie dough is coming out so dry. I guess because the humidity in the house is only like 25%. I almost needed to add more moisture. Look how dry they are. That dough, I've never... The last ones were like that too. The ones we made in the film didn't work.
Oh, yeah.
What was that, last week?
Why
Well, a week before, because last week you were at Grandma's.
Oh. Why did it not work?
It corrupted.
What is that?
It means that something went wrong with the file, and so you couldn't open it.
Oh.
Look.
Oh. That's funny. It looks like it's inside on, but it's actually upside down. Poor. That's poor.
Alrighty. Now, I have to preheat the oven, because of course I forgot that. Of course. And then, we will not need to chill this. This is so dry. That can go in there. Sure will. Didn't even fit.
There you go.
Alright.
Look it. You can barely move it. You can only move it like that. Wash.
I gotta have my favorite Tupperware spatula from the 80s. I wish they still made them, because I cannot get it anymore.
Look it. You can scrape the sides to get it all out. Look it.
Cookie dough's flying everywhere. This is unbelievably dry. Why?
Look it.
Same recipe for
scraping.
decades.
I'm
All of a sudden it's
scraping.
dry.
I'm scraping the stuff off the thing. See?
Yeah, I see. Good job.
If there was something in it, I
So
would.
strange. Okay, and that's our cookie dough. We will preheat the oven and be back to cook.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
For bigger cookies, this is the scoop I use. Don't ask me how big it is. I think it's 1 1/4 ounce. Don't remember. And I just scoop it out and put it on parchment paper. And it's stained up. And they bake for 10 minutes at 375 in this particular oven. Different ovens will cook differently, so you do want to test it. And the first batch always takes longer. I don't know why.